Gallery Launch Gallery. Bennifer PDA Launch Gallery Gallery. Backgrid. Parting is such sweet sorrow, some English guy once wrote, but for Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck it looks pretty damn sweet, considering this lengthy and loving embrace before takeoff. Super romantic Bennifer 2.0 was in full effect this weekend as J.Lo was boarding a private jet. The couple showed up together on the tarmac and seemed to have a hard time saying goodbye. Ben was giving off serious Pearl Harbor vibes, looking much like his character from the 2001 movie as he stood next to the jet that was about to carry his GF out of town. They hugged and kissed on the tarmac Saturday afternoon, and got in even more smooches and cuddles as she was walking up the stairs. You can almost hear the pilot, "Get a room, you two." Backgrid. This was the first time they were seen in public since their Halloween outing in Malibu to trick or treat with their kids. No word where Jen's off to. They've both been shooting multiple projects in recent months, but you kinda get why they've been furiously house hunting around LA. They really do need to get a room.